Why is nobody talking about the first hotel in Aba? Unicoco Hotel. Unicoco Hotel, the first hotel in Aba and the place where Oliver the Coque began his music career. Hotel Unicoco stands as the first hotel ever established in Aba, opening its doors in 1973. Over the decades, it evolved into an iconic venue graced by some of Africa's biggest stars, including Fela Kuti, Osita Osadebe, and the Oriental Brothers, all of whom have performed multiple times at the hotel. Known as the destination for the rich and influential, Hotel Unicoco has played a pivotal role in Aba's cultural scene. It is not just a hotel, it is a place of Aba's musical history. The legendary Oliver the Coque, raised in Aba, began his career at this very hotel. Here, he had the chance to perform and connect with the founders of the People's Club of Nigeria, many of whom called Aba home and ran their businesses from there. Hotel Unicoco isn't just luxury, it is about the legacy it built in the heart of people in Aba. Tell me in the comments if you've heard about this hotel and if you've been to this place before.